Looking for an impactful, engaging way to teach your course participants media strategy and planning concepts in the age of digital transformation? In just a few hours, Digital Media Pro quickly and effectively exposes participants to communicating with digital natives and optimizing digital media planning and execution. Participants must define and execute a multi-channel media strategy to drive their energy drink brand to undisputed market leadership. To do this, they will target 3 consumer segments with different media habits. They must also communicate across 3 distinct regions, varying in size, population, and other factors. Each media channel will produce a unique impact depending on the targeted segment. Over the course of 5 years, they'll have to invest in consumer insights, define objectives, as well as deploy media strategy and planning. Connecting with and influencing consumers at each step of the purchase funnel is key to achieving results. To succeed, participants must focus on consumers and their media habits while remaining agile in a rapidly growing and competitive market. Your participants will learn key digital transformation insights and become experts. Digital Media Pro is flexible, easy to implement into all types of course programs, and can be accessed on any device. With an elaborate online platform to manage your program and coach your participants, we will help you at each step to ensure a seamless experience.